Hi everyone. Let us start with algebra exercise 3.3 and question number 3 today. So in this question what we are going to say is find the remainder. So when you are asked such question you will directly go and divide, right? But we have studied a remainder theorem. We can make use of this also. They didn't specify anything, so you can use any ways to solve it. So let us use the remainder theorem. So as per the theorem, the conclusion is if p of x is divided by x plus a, then the remainder is p of minus a, which means let us take the x plus a as x plus 3 as per our given question. So then the remainder will be, you have to find p of minus 3, which is nothing but minus of a. We have to put p of minus 3 and get your answer, which means this x plus a or x plus 3 you can equate it to 0, which becomes x is equal to a minus 3. So this is the minus 3 we got, and we have to put it as p of minus 3 in this to get our remainder. So if you understood this, let's apply this remainder theorem in the question. So if you see the question, we are given a polynomial. So let us start our solution. Let us take that polynomial as p of x. So p of x is equal to 3x cube. Please write the question carefully, else it will go wrong in the starting itself. Plus 7x minus 5. So this is your given polynomial. So you are also given x plus 3 is dividing the polynomial. So let us take this x plus 3 and equate it to a 0. Okay. So then x is equal to minus 3. Now what you have to do is, you have to put this x is equal to minus 3 in your polynomial to get your remainder. So as per the remainder theorem, you can get your remainder if you simply do this itself. So now p of minus 3. P of minus 3 means wherever you have got x, put a minus 3. So do it carefully. 3 and x, instead of x, put 3 minus 3, the whole cube, and the minus 4 put it as such. And then x square, which means instead of x, put minus 3, the whole square, and then for x, we put minus 3. So wherever x is there, put your minus 3 and write the remaining constants and coefficient. So now we have to write all the constants as such and coefficients as such, but write instead of x, put minus 3. So now let us simplify this carefully. So the next step will be, this is equal to 3 into, so here we have got 3 3's, minus 3 into minus 3 into a minus 3. So let us do this part separately, okay. So that will be minus 3 the whole cube. This is what you want, right? So that will be minus 3 into minus 3 into a minus 3. So what happens here is, if you want to do 3 times minus, do it slowly, like minus into minus is a plus. So do this 2 times. 3 into 3 is 9. And then again you have to put minus 3. So plus into minus is a minus, and 9 3s are 27. So this is your minus 3 the whole cube. So do it very carefully in the rough work, you do it and write it in your question. So here instead of minus 3 the whole cube, you can write it as minus 27. In the similar way, minus 4, now can you say this is minus 3 the whole square, which is nothing but minus 3 into minus 3. So what is minus 3 into minus 3? Minus into minus is a plus. So 3 into 3 is a 9. So you can directly write this as a 9. Okay, this minus symbol won't be there. Now 7 into minus 3. What is 7 into minus 3? That will be a, first of all do the symbols. Plus and minus, it becomes a minus. And 7 3s are 21. And a minus 5. Okay. So now let us simplify this. You have to do minus 20 and plus here the same way. So put your symbol first. And 27 into 3. I know it, so I am writing it 81. If you want, find it by multiplication. Then what is 4 9? 4 9s are 36. And your minus 21 and your minus 5. So these all things you have to add together. So if you add together, Let us add it. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So that is the 13. And 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 14. So the answer will be a 14. And one thing what we missed here. Yes. We have to put the minus symbol because all these numbers are negative. Their answer will be a minus 143. So, whenever you do any questions, please be careful with the symbols and write the answer. Now, what we have got here is minus 143. So, your answer is find the remainder. So, you can write our answer as remainder is equal to minus 143. So this is the answer. You have applied your remainder theorem and find your answer. I'll give a clear note of it in the next slide. If you don't understand this, you can make a reference to that. Hope you understood this question. Thank you. Bye.